I'm going to show what is meant by a point of inflection. I've drawn here a gradient triangle at this point on the curve, and at the moment the gradient is a half over 1. The horizontal distance there is 1 unit, and so the gradient is a half over 1, and this is shown in the gradient box up here. I'm going to move this point along the curve and see what happens to the gradient. Now, as we can see, the gradient is increasing, and it increases until it reaches this point here in red, and the gradient is now increased to 2.078. But as we continue to move this point along the curve, we find that the gradient now starts to decrease, as you can see from the numbers in the gradient box. So I've shown that along here the gradient of the curve is increasing until you get here, and then the gradient starts to decrease along this section of the curve. This point is called a point of inflection, and it is the point where the gradient stops increasing and starts decreasing.